What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the Motorhead YouTube channel. In today's video, we're back to work on the C63 and we're trying to get this thing knocked out. We did say we don't want to bore y'all with this, but I was seeing comments with people saying that they want to see everything and they want to see all the content. So we're going to record it for you guys, and we're going to start by fixing this rocker panel right here. It is already fixed, but it does need to be painted, and also right here it did burn, so we're gonna have to repaint that too. That way we can put the rocker panel on after we paint everything, and everything will look good. So we're gonna get right into it. First, we're gonna get this car off of the frame because my dad needs the frame. So we'll probably take it off and put it right here, and then we'll jack it up, put it on some jack stands, and get started. Okay, so we got it up on stands, and I want to take these doors off simply because it's going to be easier to fix this and paint it, and they're not going to be in the way. So we're going to remove these doors real quick and get started. Okay guys, so we are getting ready to lay down body filler. Everything's looking very nice and perfect, and before we do anything, we want to degrease all this. As you can see, bunch of grease just everywhere, and we just want to clean this whole thing, get everything nice and good. That way it'll be ready for Bondo, and also when we go to prime it, everything will be clean. So let's go ahead and do it. Okay, so we got the seam sealer on. It's looking great. Once that all dries, you can paint it. And now we're gonna go ahead and finish this off. Okay guys, so everything is done. It's ready for primer. We decided to go ahead and block all this down. That way we can just throw another coat on it just so it'll be perfect. Same with that. And the hood, I wasn't happy with the hood. So I shaped the body line a little better and we're gonna throw another coat on that too. So we're ready to start priming, so let's get to it. Okay guys, so we got everything sanded and we're gonna wipe it down. We are gonna do it a specific way. We wanna just burn it in, paint underneath this line right here and then burn it in here. The reason being is we do not wanna tape these up and it's gonna look pretty bad. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna burn it in and we're gonna buff it out and you literally won't even see it. So we're gonna go ahead and get this prepped, get it taped up, and CarQuest is actually mixing up our paint right now and then we can get it sprayed in. All right, so we got everything prepped and ready. We've got a temporary block off right here because we don't want any paint here because we need to burn in the clear coat. And also here, same thing. So it's pretty much ready. We need to go to CarQuest and get all the materials. We're gonna go ahead and get paint for the entire car so we can paint everything. So let's go head over there. All right, so we're going to take Paul's Porsche Vlad is actually trying to buy this thing.
Yeah, dude, this thing's nice. We're finna. That's why we're test driving.
Yeah, this right here is our test drive. We finna see if it's worth the money.
It's got a fob, so that's a good sign.
You're a fob. Is it nice?
Yeah, it's nice so far.
Dang, dude, you just want it because of that.
Wouldn't anyone? No backup camera?
I don't know, not really my vibe. I'm more of a GT3 RS kind of guy, you know?
Dang.
No, I'm just kidding. This thing is sick.
It's in good shape too, actually. I like that dash.
Yeah, looks good. Back seats for your kid. Dang, look, already got a car seat, dude. You don't even gotta buy a car seat.
Yeah, right. He's gonna take that.
I know, I'm just kidding. All right, we're gonna head over to CarQuest and then get this paint and get back to it. Okay, so we got our paint right here. We got some fresh 3M cups, and we're pretty much ready. And then we need some clear coat. We'll go ahead and knock this job out. What do you think? Clear Pro?
Oh, 73 bucks. Yeah, you were right.
Now we gotta get the good stuff. The good stuff, you know.
What's the good stuff? The economy?
The best of the best.
Look at the price.
No, there's...
It's only like $5. Oh, I was talking about the Euro Clear. The one that's like the better one.
Yeah, but this right here is the good stuff. Where's it at?
Sickens?
Sickens.
Over here.
This is what we need.
Yeah. They don't even got the price out here for this one.
Yeah, it's like 180, I think. But it's definitely worth it.
That's nice.
So we're gonna get what we need and we're gonna go. Okay guys, so we got it all prepped, and now before we spray this paint down, we need to clean it. So my boy John here is gonna go ahead and hit it with some degreaser.
That's right.
He decided not to wear a shirt today. I don't know why, but please disregard that. He is a professional cleaner, so we're gonna trust his expertise. Hey, easy, bud, easy.
What you mean? What's going on?
I don't know, man. Don't rip the paper off.
Nah. He's doing pretty good.
Now what you need to do, the key thing here is you gotta fold it back over. And now you're working with a whole new, fresh thing there.
Yeah.
Wow.
He knows a thing or two because he's seen a thing or two, you know? Okay, just like that, guys, all the base is laid down. It's looking perfect. And honestly, guys, I mean, you're not even gonna really see any of this, but I'm actually really happy with how it looks. You know, a lot of people wouldn't even replace it at all. They would just leave it like that because the side skirt did fit just fine. And yeah, so we're done. We're gonna wait till this dries, and once it dries, we'll tack it, throw some clear coat, throw some blends in on the areas, and we might have to buff it. We might get away with not buffing it. I guess we're just gonna see. So let's go ahead and get that clear coat mixed up and throw it down. Okay guys, so as you can see, from that B-roll, this turned out beautiful with the blends in. You can't even tell. Honestly, sometimes with the blends in, you do still have to buff it. But luckily for us, it actually just worked out super smoothly. There's just a beautiful transition here, a beautiful transition here and here. So honestly, I don't even think we're gonna have to buff it. I will let it dry and just see how it looks, maybe even put it out in the sunlight. But now literally we can just get those doors, slap them on there, and that would be perfect. We won't have to mess with any of that. And tomorrow we're literally just gonna sand this thing down completely and get it ready for paint. We already have the paint, we already have the clear coat. We're literally ready to just slick this thing in. And I'm really excited. I actually wanna paint this thing myself. Usually I get Paul to paint every car, but honestly, I'm feeling confident after painting Nathan's Miata. I think that I can handle this, and I want to do it, and I want to paint it. Plus, it's white, you know, white makes it right. It's pretty easy to get white down, simply because with white, you can't really see much imperfections and stuff like that, because white is just a solid color, and it doesn't really reflect light as a silver or a black would. So I'm really excited, guys, and stay tuned, guys. If you want to see the paint job on this thing, be sure to smash that subscribe button. Be sure to hit the bell so you don't miss out on any notifications. And also, if you guys want, you can follow us on Instagram at motorhead.co. I'll link it down below. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. We really can't do anything on the car as of now because I don't want to be kicking up any dust. We are already painting in a shop, so we're not gonna do anything on the car. We're just gonna let it sit, because if we kick up any dust, you know, it's gonna land in the paint, and that is the last thing we want. Actually, everyone honestly left for today. Everyone just has a bunch of errands to run, so we're literally here by ourselves. I'm really happy with that, because if a lot of people are here, you know, working, doing stuff, you know, it'd be kicking up a lot of dust. But I think for now it'll be fine, and I'm really happy. You know, everything turned out beautiful. Wouldn't you say, John?
Absolutely, I think it looks great. I
Yeah,
can't
even
even
like-
tell where you put that blends in it.
Yes, sir. See, so like there's a transition there, there's a transition under there, and then also here, which you can't really see it. That's what blends in is for. It makes everything look perfect, and I'm really happy with it. I did test fit the side skirt when we were doing the body work, so I know that's gonna fit up perfectly, and I can't wait, man. We're just gonna paint those side skirts and the whole car and just literally just slap this thing together. I'm thinking hopefully by Saturday to have this thing completely done. So stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be super exciting. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for all the love and support. And if you want, you can go ahead and check out the old videos on this car if you haven't already. And stay tuned, guys, because we got a couple of interesting builds coming up. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.